Okay.
Yes, loves. You know the reason why
Why?
I'm lonely?
Why?
About the 224. You know what is that?
No. What's that, baby?
It's about Fillmore and Andy, but yeah, it's a famous chismis in the Philippines that they are 7 years together
Okay.
as a husband and wife,
Yeah.
and then they broke up because of the third party. It's affect me because we are 7 years together, and the
Yeah.
other girl have a tattoo same like him, 224. You know the meaning of that?
Uh-uh.
Today, tomorrow, and forever.
Is that what you want?
That's why it makes me heartbroken,
Why?
because I'm afraid that we're gonna end up that.
224? Why, you want a tattoo with 224 on it?
No, no need, because we have 424.
424.
What does that
24.
mean?
Huh? 42420. That's our anniversary. That's the day we got married.
Oh, four to
Mm.
four, forever,
Yeah,
today and
it's not enough that
tomorrow.
you've it's not enough that you've already put your name and staked a claim to me. I have to put it on larger than that.
Yeah,
Huh. Is that right?
but
Huh.
you know what?
You
The
see
good
it?
news,
Huh.
I'm starting to emote lately,
Yeah.
but when I check this evening, they are okay now. They back together. So we need to back together now. What? I'm broken hearted whole day because of that. But they are okay now, so I'm okay now, loves, okay?
No,
What no?
I'm punished all day.
What?
Because you said you were mad at me.
I that's why I told you I don't know what is my problem. It's just only in the social media
Oh
because of
my goodness.
and
You're fucking crazy. Holy shit.
whole day that I don't have upload, whole day that
Oh
I'm
my gosh.
because
Over a TV show drama
yeah,
from the Philippines.
since us
You see Philippines? Oh, you guys need to turn off the drama TV. Please.
it's not
All
a
you do is
drama
punish the
TV.
husbands.
It's a
The
true
husbands become
story,
punished.
loves. True story. She's art actress, and
We
then she.
don't need to make our own true story, dude. We don't. We don't need to make.
It's just affect me. The two to
No, it
four.
affected me too.
A lots of put in Facebook. What is that 224? And then I found out the celebrity and her husband. She's just falling in love in the surfing man, right? So they together for 7 years,
Oh,
and then
she what?
she fall in love. She fall in love to the surfing man, so they get married for 7 years, and then now, just
We've
like
only been married for 5.
oh, not seven.
No,
2018 we met.
married. We got married in 2020.
No, we 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25. Oh, we are 7 years now for ano
December.
relationship.
December. We ain't 6 years now.
So we're not seven.
Huh?
Ah, I miss computation. I thought me was all the 7 years they
You punished me all
separate.
day.
Yeah, they
All day.
separate. A lots of
She
couple.
punished me all day. All day. I thought I did something wrong. I thought something happened.
I'm just
She's
depressed for what's happening to the
Oh,
couple
don't answer the
couple.
phone. Don't talk to me. Make tempo. Whatever the hell else was going on.
No, they're okay na loves. So forgive me now, okay?
Fuck that TV show.
Not TV show, it's true to life story.
Sorry.
This episode, they are together na. I will show you. I will show you the 224 and the ano. But the
No
the
need,
tattoo,
'cause
it's
I
already
don't wanna
erased
know.
na, loves. He erased na.
No
They
need.
erased.
Yeah, because fucking all the husbands were pissed. Because we all had to fucking be punished by our wives. Because y'all watched the TV show and we're all pissed at the fucking man.
What to do? It's in social media. That's why I don't upload today. Because I'm so depressed.
Whatever.
We're not going to separate, right?
Never.
We
I'm
are.
going to
we,
stay alive just to fucking torment you. Like you torment me today.
we are 224, real 224, right? Tomorrow, today, forever. I will show you the 224 you want.
No.
No.
I don't need to get all bent out of shape again.
You know that I'm okay ni Nana. And then you, ano.
Yes. Yes, you are. Fucking ookie nana.
Fucking